Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in a Volkswagen remote key. This is the single piece key that was offered between the years of 2011 and 2018 on various models. I like to have a pocket screwdriver just to help me pop the cover off, gives me some leverage. And then you're going to need a battery. The battery is the CR2032. So to get started, you just want to open the key, flip it over, take your pocket screwdriver, and then you just kind of lift up right here and take that cover off. And then if you take the blade of the key and face it towards you, put your thumb right here and then just drag downwards. This side will pop up. Out with the old, in with the new. Positive side goes up on this key. So you push the bottom in first, and then just kind of lock it in there. Take your cover and snap all four corners down. And that's it. Some reasons you would want to do this is obviously the battery's dead and you won't have a red light right here, which I have one, so this is a good battery. And then you might notice that the distance from which your key will reach your car is getting longer and longer. That'll happen as the battery gets older. If you have a keyless entry system, these batteries actually come with, it says 3 volts, but they come with about 3.3 volts brand new. When these batteries get to be about 3.1 volts, you'll actually start to see some issues on the keyless entry systems. So just keep an eye out for that. And that's it, you guys. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, and share if you know of anybody that would appreciate this. I appreciate your time, you guys. Peace.